to the point. Sir, I just want to move this data not to the Excel. I want to move to the data to the CSV. So CSV file is also one of the files that we need to understand about this is dot to CSV is there. To CSV is also there. So there we can also specify the a student dot CSV, and I just want to make a index is false. Let us try to do this one to CSV, how it going to be creates the CSV. Yes, it's going to create my CSV file. Let us go back to the student is there. Yes, of course, student is there. See, my student data is there. Now, I want to move this student data into my database. Let me go to MySql. Let me go to MySql. MySql workbench. MySql workbench. And let me go and check this one. And I'm going to passing the root. Yeah, it's going to be works well. Yes, come to the point. Is there any student is there? Yes, of course, a student is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go and right click on it and go to the import wizard, table data import wizard. Let us go to the browse and go to the, yeah, the student is there and the record is also there. So the record is not going to be works well and the student will works well. So I'm going to choose the student. I just want to be go with this one, and again there is going to be specifying the student, but we already have a table, so that's why
A
we just want to
student.
create a new student. New student. New
Okay.
student. So this is the
Student.
table that I am going to creating, and I am going to check this one. Now the data is going to be appeared here. See here, one is a Bhavana, another one is a Kavita, Bhavita, and everything. So previously,
Yes, sir.
yesterday, when we try to export the data from the data frame to through a file system, it is not allowed to read the data. Am I right or not? But at the
Yeah.
moment today it's going to be in the form of a pandas. If I want to send the data to a particular data, it's going to be creates. Remember, it's finished. Now let me go and finish it. So let me refresh this. New student is there. I'm going to specifying the new student. See, this is the data that we have a data. See
Okay.
the same data that we have here. So Kavita, Bhavita and Karna, Charana, Bharana. Is it possible, can I extract the data from Excel sheet, as well as can I possible to extract the data from the database? Is it possible? We just writing to the files and we are just sending the data to the particular things. Is it possible?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I able to extract the data from those resources? Remember,
Yes,
this is
sir.
all comes under the extraction phase.
Okay.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
when we are going to sending to the particular databases, that will be called as a loading phase.
Sorry.
Loading phase.
When okay, when we extract, it is extracting phase
Yes,
from the
extracting the
database.
data, and if
Okay.
you want to send the data to any particular database or any other else, that will be called as a
Okay.
loading.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Point. Is there a way that we can be read
From the
from
database.
the CSV or some other else that we need to be specified? Let us go and do this one. Let me go and do this one. To dot read from Excel. Remember, read from Excel. There is a read from
Excel.
Excel is there. Let us go and do this one. So there is a data frame is equals to pd dot Read from Excel. Read from Excel. Why? 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 Why?
Mm.
What is the reason behind this one? Is a student file is there? Yes, of
Yeah.
course, a student file is there. Let me go and check this. No, no. Student is an CSV file, Kalpana.
Where, yeah,
Uh,
where,
yeah, this is also a hello. I think
previously.
a hello is the Excel file. See, hello is
Yeah,
the
yes,
Excel
sir.
file, Kalpana. Oh my God. Unnecessarily we just disturbed.
Yeah.
Hello. Now let us go and run this one. See,
Okay.
we got the complete data. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So unless we didn't check the file name,
Yeah.
so student is not there. So we have an hello.excel. Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yes,
this is an
sir.
exception handling. I didn't tell you the exception handling. I will explain you exception handling. Okay?
Yes, sir.
On Monday I will explain about the exception handling. What is the try and what is the accept and everything I
Except.
will explain you on Monday. Please note of this one. We can read from this one, and also there is a way that we can be also convert the data
Okay.
into our data and also make the data available to the another thing. Let us do that one also. Please kindly note down this one. Finished? Yes. Come to
Yes,
the
sir.
point. I'm going to I'm going to creating a dictionary that is the completely about the student underscore grade. I just want to create a student underscore grade. Inside of this one, I just want to be specify the grade. I can be able to specify the A, B, C, D,
D.
and E. Yeah, this is the grade. I have a data. Now this is a
Yes.
dictionary and I just want to read it from the Excel sheet. So read from Excel sheet, read Excel sheet. So I just want to specify the hello dot Excel SX, SLXX. So this is what I
Yeah.
have it. Now I want
Print.
to
Okay.
merge this Excel sheet data with my data. This is the data I want to merge with my Excel sheet data and
Excel
has to
sheet.
convert them into data frame and has to print it.
Yeah.
Remember, if you want to make
Uh,
it an index column
is
is
equal
going to
to
be false.
false. Yeah.
So false. First of all, let us go and try to do print this one. I'm going to print df. Let me,
Okay.
sorry, df is there. No. So df, well, it's going to be well. Oh no, it's not that index column is false. Index column
Okay.
is none. Is that no?
It's
It's again. It's coming. Okay, no problem. Let us go
okay.
and do this one. Well, come to the point. I want to merge the data. It's not
Yes,
possible
sir.
direct merge because this is a dictionary type and this is a data frame type. I want to merge this
Okay.
both of these. Before that one, I just want to make a student underscore info. I just specify this one is a df dot. Remember, it's a to dictionary. I'm going to
O-
make it a to dictionary, to
Okay.
dictionary. That's what I want to specify. And I just want to print this
Student in
student info. Let us try to
okay.
do this one. Whether this is going to be works or well or not. Yeah, see here.
Yeah.
My data frame has been converted into a dictionary format. Okay. Now come to the
Okay.
point. I just want to merge. Now I just want to merge my dictionary into the student form. Let us go back to this one. I just want to be student info. Sorry, student underscore info.
Info
How can we merge it?
update
Very good. Update. Very good. Update. Then what I am to do? A student
student grade
grade. Now again going back to the
print
print. See
of
here a pd dot data frame. I just want to specify data
okay.
frame. I just want to specify, and I am going to student info. Student info. Just student info. Simple. And I want to run this one. How it going to be works? So mixing dictionary with the non-series may lead to ambiguous order.
Ordering
Order. Extract the index. Okay, fine. Let us go back to the print student info. Student info. Let me go on this one. Yes, we got this serial number, student name,
name
and then we
student
have a student
marks
marks
and grade
and grade. See here,
grade
we have a completely a grade has
yeah
been executed. Remember, here is some mistake has been happened. Can you tell me that one?
it's showing in dictionary
Which one?
everything is showing in like it is showing as dictionary, it is not showing in table format. Then
See the data which
extra
is
okay.
shown in the dictionary
ah
format. How can we do this? So 0 will be the A
one
and 1 will be the
b
B. Sorry. 1 will be the B and 2 will be the
c
C. Um, 3 will be the D and 4 will be the
e
E.
yeah
So let me go and run this one again, whether it is going to be accepted or not. See, now this is also going to be works well. So let
yeah
me go and do this one. df dot data frame, sorry, pd dot data frame, and I'm going to be specify the student info. Yes, fine, good. Let me run this one. Now, see here, now it has been converted into a complete
tape
specifications data. And I want
yes
to be specify the index.
dot it
Index is false.
yes
Index is false.
false
Let me run this. Index is false. No, must be called with a collection. Some kind false was passed. Okay,
yeah.
let me go and pass the index 0. No, it's the value is not going to be accepted. info. Simply we have to specify this one. No, right. Okay, did you understand the concept of these things? Okay, how to connect our database? That's also very important.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
very easy that we need to be connect with the database. To do that one, we have a first of all we need a connection establishment. Why? Because there is a data. Python is a one data, and a database is another thing. Let me show you. So Python. This is a application has to connect with the database. This is another application. Remember, so we want to extract the data from one application to the another application, one application to the
Okay.
another application. So we need to do lot of things. No, we need to
Yes,
do
sir.
lot of things. The first thing is we need to establish connection. We need to establish a
Okay.
connection. How can we do this one? How can we do this? So the first thing is connection string is there. Connection string is which is going to specify where my database is going to be located. So mostly we are going to using the local host data. So that's why we are to use the local host as a local database. Or if you want to work with the real-time company, their database is a remote server. So we need to find out the remote server URL. So that URL has to be specified. URL has to specify. That's a very important. So using the URL connections, we can be able to establish a connection to a particular data and databases. This is very,
Okay.
very important.
Using
And
URL.
URL means Universal Resource Locator.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So URL has to be specified.
Okay.
Second thing is authentication. Authentication has to be specified. What is the authentication? Username
Hmm.
and the password.
Okay.
And password has to specify.
Password.
So this is the first establish the connection and the connection string. Then we need a authentication. And the
Yes,
third
sir.
one is we need to specify the database name database name and a table also we need to specify the database name and table, so
Yeah.
everything will comes under the connection string. So
Okay.
using these things we can be establish a complete data and a complete information to pass into the particular data table. Did you understand
Yes,
what I'm
sir.
saying?
Yes, sir.
So, in such a way, we can be establish the connections. Establishment. This is the things. First thing is MySql and Python MySql. Now let us go to the username and let us go to the
Okay.
password. Then we need to place the host. What is the host? Is a URL. That is the local host. Remember, this is the
Okay.
local host. So remember our database concepts is a 3306. Let us check this
Okay.
one whether our data is going to be manage the connection. Yeah, now come to the point. See here. Now we have a host name 127.0.0.1
Point 0.1.
and the port name is 3306.
3306.
Am I right or not?
Okay.
Let us go to
Yeah.
the. So instead
User.
of this
Okay.
one, we can write the local host. Why? Because my database has
Okay.
been installed in my local disk. Am I right?
Okay.
So
Yes,
that's why
sir.
we need to go with this one. So instead of this one, so host is going to be local host. That is an IP address 127.0.0.1. Instead of that, we can directly will write the things. Please kindly note down this one.